Hello, everyone. I am Jack. I am an AI software engineer here at Andromeda Intelligence. I am very excited to announce our newest launch, Cygnus AI. So to begin with, Cygnus AI is a platform where you can build and deploy agents that can help you in automating your document processing workflows. So whether you want to automate something as simple as processing some invoices or something complex like processing insurance claims, or if you are in finance, maybe you want to conduct deep financial analysis or credit underwriting of certain companies at scale, or if you are a lawyer, just check the contract clauses covers all guidelines. So basically any task that, requires fiddling with a lot of PDFs, emails, images, or any other documents, Cygnus can do it all. To show you what I mean, let's dive right in and see Cygnus AI in action. So here, as you can see, we're currently within a pipeline that takes in financial statements and conducts a credit underwriting. So for this particular example, we've used the Tesla financial statement. And as you can see, we've created about 6 to 7 agents for this task. And each agent has a task of its own. So in this pipeline, we've broken down the task into multiple subtasks where each agent takes care of one task. Like, for example, this agent right here is taking care of cash flow analysis. And another one, this one, analyzes the balance sheet. And finally, one right here actually has access to the results of these previous agents and builds over that result to finally get us a combined statement analysis. All right. So the idea is by breaking down a task into multiple tasks and allowing agents to build over previous agents, this sequential chaining makes it incredibly powerful in handling complex workflows you might have. Another powerful thing I would like to showcase is that Cygnus agents can think before taking an action. So if you go here and click this icon here, right here, you can access the agent reasoning window. This is the agent's thinking space. You can see what it planned, what evidence it gathered, and why it chose a specific action. If you expand tools used, you'll get full transparency, which tool the agent called, including its input and output parameters. Agents' ability to reason makes them robust and adaptive. If an agent encounters a hiccup, which to be frank is quite common in the real world, the agent replans. It doesn't crash, it thinks. It retries with controlled backoff, then adapts to a fallback if possible. The reasoning window logs each move and why it was chosen. So that's the difference. Cygnus agents don't just execute, they reason before they act, which makes them robust and adaptive. And because the reasoning is visible, you always understand why a decision was taken. We also made sure to build Cygnus AI with verifiability built in from the ground up. As explained before, we capture all information about the tool the agents utilized, along with input and output parameters they generated, and even whether it was successful or not. So in case a tool call failed, you will exactly know what failed, why it failed, and when. So for instance, if your tool enabled agents to update a certain data into your ERP system, and for whatever reason it fails, maybe the format is incorrect or the data no longer exists, you will know exactly why. One more handy thing our agents do is flag anomalies. If they spot anything off, like, discrepancies, red flags, things that need a human look, they can raise a flag automatically. So in our case, the agent has flagged some issues for us in Tesla's statement. Like here, we see a high capital expenditure rate and a high non-cash-based stock compensation here, both of which are, real issues in the cash flow. And if you tap review here, you'll see the details and a quick breakdown of why it matters. This is super useful, especially when you're comparing with past data or checking policies like insurance, contracts, whatever document you might have. You just inform the agent what counts as not okay, and it'll flag it for you when those terms or conditions aren't met. As simple as that. I guess you might have gotten some ideas already. And obviously, we will be adding a lot more features to make Cygnus more useful, more independent, and more robust. We don't want Cygnus AI to be just another automation tool. We actually want Cygnus AI to be an active part of your workforce, helping your teams as a partner or as just another coworker. So to that end, making Cygnus AI independent and robust enough to handle workflows not just for minutes, but for hours and eventually even for months is one of our top priorities and on our roadmap. And I can't wait to see what use cases you guys can come up with. And I'm sure Cygnus AI will augment your teams and enable them to focus on tasks that actually move the needle. And as always, we are a chat or email away in case you have any questions or just want to chat about AI agents. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.